What if I told you there is a forest in Nigeria where every tree whispers a story, every sculpture holds a secret, and every step feels like walking into another world? Today I'm taking you into a sacred space that has protected culture, art and spirituality for over 600 years. My name is Olukoye Abiodun, and this is one of the most mystical journeys I've ever been on. The Osun Grove is not just a forest, it's a living museum, a spiritual home, and a symbol of identity for the Yoruba people. So join me as I uncover the legends, the history, the acts, and the beauty of this sacred UNESCO World Heritage Site.
This is real Osogbo.
Okay.
This is outside Osogbo of those days. It is the government of the people of Austria that supported the finance, that provide the finance for this. You can read from here, we did thanks to the Republic of Austria for the restoration of the Ark of the Flying Tortoise 2014.
Okay.
I want to use this time to welcome you to Osogbo.
Thank you.
You are welcome to Osogbo.
Thank you.
And these are the structures that is being made by the followers of Susawinga.
UNESCO Energy Group is an energy business organization that is headquartered in Johannesburg, South Africa. The company specializes in the exploration, production, and distribution of crude oil, refined petroleum products, and petrochemicals. E-Cross Energy, empowering true energy.
That's Omele drummer.
Okay.
And some parts south.
Yes.
Like Benin.
Yes.
This is Bata.
Bata is from Foshongo.
For Shango, exactly.
Yes.
Kò sí ìlú tí wọ́n lè lù létí àwọn oníṣàngó tó dàbí Bàtà.
Kò sí.
Kò tí ì sí ìlú yẹn.
Kò sí.
Àwọn ìkànnì àwọn eégún ta ní Òṣogbo nìyẹn.
Okay.
This is Òpólé Ìbà.
Okay.
Òpólé Ìbà. So this is masquerade. It's a masquerade that sends in the king on daily basis. Okay. The reason is that many people believe that Osogbo activity, Osogbo festival is a day activity. No, it's a day's activity. In fact, weeks. They will have started around March, April, or something like that. But also, and this is one of the activities in Osun Osogbo festival. Yeah, this masquerade.
Yeah.
We stand a little far to the Kabiyesi.
Okay.
With this club. And we said, this year I will not miss this club to beat you, to eat you. But whenever Kabiyesi is now coming, it will stand and try to eat the king. But quite unfortunately, there has never been a time that the club will eat Kabiyesi. You now tell the Kabiyesi, it's just serve as prayer that Kabiyesi will live more.
I get it.
I will live more after Jọdún tó ń bọ̀ lọ.
Yeah.
This thing is being constructed by the followers of Mama Susawinga. All this just symbolizes the activities that happens in Osogbo and perhaps some other Yoruba towns.
I get it.
And these are the masquerades in Osogbo.
Okay.
We have Egun Meta, we have Egun Arenugbebi, we have Egun Laboata. Without being told,
Yeah.
you know that this is one of the worshippers of Osun. One of the worshippers of Osun. So this one symbolizes one of the worshippers. This structure, this one symbolizes the goddess herself. It is believed that the goddess is half woman, half. It is just being structured like that because it is the belief that she comes out when she feel like coming out and goes inside the water
Whenever she feels like yeah.
You know, so that is what they use this
To illustrate,
portray,
yeah.
you know, just as illustrations.
I get
To
it.
tell you that sometimes it comes out, when it comes out, she comes out as human being, and when inside the river, she's there
Fish.
like a fish.
Yes.
And some people still believe that the Osun devotees,
Yeah.
all of them are women. You know, we have man among them.
Okay.
So this one symbolize one of them. This is Awuru Osun. And this is the votary maid.
Okay.
This one symbolize the votary maid, Aruba. This symbolize, it depicts the 16-point lamp.
Okay.
We have the original in the palace.
All right.
We have the original in the palace, and this thing is being discovered by Olutimehin, the man I told you about.
Yes.
Inside this forest from the Jane many years ago. So talk about the 9 days to the festival, no man.
Okay.
Up till now, no, the original inside the palace.
Yes, okay.
Wọ́n fi náà sí. So àwọn èèyàn wá síbẹ̀ oríṣiríṣi àdúrà oríṣiríṣi wọ́n máa sọ nǹkan tó bá fẹ́.
Okay.
So up till now.
Is how many?
The original of this is still inside the palace.
What is it called?
Àtùpà Olójúmẹ́rìndínlógún.
16.
16-point lamp.
Okay.
Àtùpà
Olójúmẹ́rìndínlógún.
And we have different species of trees here.
Okay.
Different types of trees.
Okay.
And which of course about 250 has been confirmed to be medicinal. So táwọn ìbá wá sí bíbá yìí, people do come from near and far.
Okay.
From Ogun State, from Lagos State, from all part of Nigeria.
Okay.
Wọ́n wá sí bíbá yìí, they come for herbs.
Okay.
Wọ́n wá oríṣiríṣi.
They are herbalists there.
Probably ẹlòmíràn lè má jẹ́ herbalist akọ̀wé pé tó bá ní ìdíwé kan àwàwá. But in most cases it is àwọn kí ló máa ń wá jù the traditionalists.
Okay.
Àwọn babaláwo.
They
are the one that comes for it the most time. All these things.
Yeah.
You see here has been constructed by Susan Winger.
Okay.
The woman I told you about. She's a woman that loves pets a lot. So this is a dog. This one depicts a dog.
Okay.
This is the woman herself.
Okay.
And you know, I told you that when she came to Nigeria with her husband, Professor Olibaya,
yeah.
When they got to this place, the woman fell in love with this place. She told her husband that, you know, she's no more going back. So later, she got married to one Yoruba man.
Okay.
Baba Yonshola Onilu. That's the man. Okay. And these are the other followers of ours.
Okay. Thank you.
So this one depicts the goddess. Okay. I could see that she's been embedded by many children. It shows that for those that believe, she gives out babies.
Okay.
If you are looking to God
for babies.
If you come to this place, you know, you come and pray. If you have that belief, she will give. And I want to believe that if this thing has not been real, people wouldn't have been coming. People will not be coming the way they do.
I get it.
I've seen a scenario. One day I saw a lady. I met her there. I said, "Wow," but she greeted me. You know. So when I was coming back, I met her. I said, "Hope you enjoy your tour." He said, "No, she's not here for tour. But she came to pay homage to the goddess." That sometimes ago she was here, and the doctor has confirmed that she will not be able to conceive. So when she now got here, you know, that very day she came. Unconsciously, she just said, "Hey, can give me baby, and the deal is done." She came back to pay homage with her child.
Really?
So, and here you cannot kill any animal. You cannot kill, you cannot fish, you cannot farm, you cannot do anything, you cannot plant anything here.
I get. Cannot farm anything.
Anything. It's a sacred place.
I get. So this is the palace, Abi?
This is the palace. This is the first palace. It has been there for many years. Many centuries. These are dignitaries. This is where they sit on your social festival.
Okay.
So the king, governor, minister, the representatives of the museum, you know, National Commission for Museums and Monuments is the official custodian of this place.
Okay.
They are the official custodian. We have museum everywhere. We have museum in Ibadan, Adeshinloye. We have museum in Ogun State, in Abeokuta. We have museum in Lagos. We have museum in Abuja. We have museum everywhere. So museum is official custodian there.
Okay.
And that is where I work.
Okay, this is the...
So this is the worshiping point.
Oh.
This is Osun Osogbo worshiping point.
Okay.
Some people call it Osun Osogbo International Worshiping Point. But it is believed that there are some other worshiping points somewhere.
Okay.
Do you understand? But this is the main. This is where the Osun goddess is being worshipped on an annual basis.
Yeah.
Osun Osogbo festival.
Yeah.
So, you know, the Muslims go to Mecca.
Yes.
For their pilgrimage.
Yes.
While the Christians goes to Jerusalem. This is where the Osun devotees come from all parts of the world for their own pilgrimage. It's not necessary to go to festival. You can come anytime.
Okay, to worship.
To worship, they are very free. Anytime. And that is, we don't call that this water, we call it agbo.
Agbo.
We call it agbo. Reason that man call Osogbo ni pé sele eru agbo, agbára agbo.
I get it.
So
the water is called agbo. Yeah. Apps.
Okay, so this is Sigbo Ifa. This is where the Babalawos, this is where they initiate some people, some interested people into their membership. So one of them go Gbodu. If you don't pay ni Gbodu, if you don't pay ni Gbodu, láyé nígbà yẹn. And yeah, wọ́n máa ń jókòó. Ó láwọn stools tó wà nílé ńbẹ̀ yẹn. They sit hierarchically in their hierarchy. Náà ṣe máa ń jókòó. And till number one, their leader, if he's not around, the next person can never step up to sit in that stool. They rather leave the stool empty. So tó bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ wọlé, wọ́n fi wájú wọlé, ẹ̀yìn náà máa fi wọlé. So àwọn bíbá yìí ò ń ṣe ibi tí wọ́n máa ń allow àwọn èèyàn kí kó máa wọ̀ because of the sacredness of the place. So this bridge was built by the Europeans in 1936, the pre-colonials. So this being built, and it is just to ease the passage.
Okay.
Then, as at that time in this region, nothing like this. If you want to go to the other side, there is one family that time in Osogbo that do assist people cross the river. But since when this building has been built, it has eased the movement of the people, not only the Osogbo, but the people of this part of the world going to the other side of the other township. This place leads to, you know, those days. Ọ̀nà ìgbà náà ló máa gbà àwọn tó ń lọ Iléṣà, tó ń lọ gbogbo ẹ̀, tó ń lọ. Because at that time, by leg in the 30s, though in cutting chain there, but yet this is the first bridge. Nígbà yẹn, so when man to use passage in Liba, it has no pillars.
This just is suspended
by this string. So reason every time bá wà bọ́ lórí ẹ̀, ó máa ń dangle, a máa shake. That is reason. Tó fi pè ní àmì tìtì.
This is Afara Amititi, the Dango Bridge. This is a suspended bridge built in the 1930s by the white people. You can see that Osun is full of history and heritage.
That is Goba Zone.
Okay.
This is part of the core area.
Okay.
Goba Zone, like I said earlier, is the land that surrounds the core area.
Okay.
Just to protect the core area.
Yeah.
From any harm.
If you're enjoying this journey, kindly subscribe to my channel.
So this is a chameleon.
Okay.
This is a chameleon. Now it's done.
Presently at Yamako Courtyard, we are actually trying to explore. If you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe.
Can see this tree? That's Shokono. But Yoruba don't like calling that name.
Yes, Babagba.
You can observe, you see that there are some people begging.
Yes.
For states, lie down begging. So those are the people that had failed promises. Only promise
that you cannot fulfill.
So they are begging Babagba not to inflict them.
Yes. With the illness or whatever.
So Ella is the intermediary between a lady married and the traditionalist. The reason is that pé tó máa ń ṣàdúrà táwọn traditionalist máa ń ṣàdúrà ẹgbẹ́ máa fẹ́ pé ẹ̀là rọ̀ wá.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ẹ̀là rọ̀ wá. Pé kí ẹ̀là máa bọ̀ láti òde ọ̀run kó wá bá wọn gbé gbogbo àwọn àdúrà wọn lọ sọ́dọ̀ Elédùmarè. Ṣáà pé it's been suspended.
Yes.
To tell you that it's in between heaven
and
earth.
earth. Yeah. Thank you. Elarowa.
Yes. Yamapo.
Oh, Yamapo.
She's a very tall woman. She's a very tall woman. Ṣé láwọn ẹyẹ méjì tó máa ránṣẹ́?
Okay.
Àwọn ẹyẹ méjì yẹn.
Look àwọn ẹyẹ.
Àwọn ẹyẹ méjì àti alá àti ògo.
Àti ògògò.
Àti ògo àti alá. Wọ́n pẹ́ she has 3 arms.
Yes.
So this is hand of advice.
Okay. This too?
Yeah. The next, if you take to advice, she will give you blessing. But if you fail to listen to the advice, regret will let you go.
Really?
That's just telling you about life. So you're telling off to listen to advice. If you fail to listen to the advice, if you listen to the advice, blessing.
But if you fail to listen, you find it.
So that is what Scripture just trying to tell us.
Okay.
Whenever there is anybody that wants to wage war against Osogbo, she will be there first. To protect Osogbo. And she's a tall woman, she must have seen. See this there, you have seen whatever, any war that wants to go to Osogbo. So you just come and report to her, anything is happening.
I get it.
And Yamapo ló kọ́kọ́ ṣe epo.
So very large, very tall woman. So it is believed in history that nobody has ever waged war against Osogbo that we ever succeed. So she sees more than everybody.
Because she's very tall.
She's a very tall woman. Even in spirit, she sees. She's a seer. So most time, bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn tó bá ti anybody bá fẹ́ wage war against Osogbo, á ti lọ síbẹ̀, á ti lọ defend Osogbo. It is massive. As I leave the Osun Osogbo Sacred Grove, one thing becomes clear. This place is not just a cultural treasure, it's a reminder of how deeply history lives within us. In every carving, every shrine, every whisper of the river can feel the spirit of the people who refuses to let their story fade. Thank you for walking this journey with me. If you love exploring African culture, history, and hidden gems like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and join me on the next adventure. Till then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep discovering the soul of Africa.